I feel today is the project. What is the information for that?
Well, here's our measurements, and it's an interesting situation. At the top of the stairs, immediately on the left, there's a bedroom there. Actually, it's an office, and there's a tripping hazard because that rail is definitely going to stick out into the pathway.
Oh, okay. So which means they will be using a zero intrusion.
That's exactly right. Yeah.
Okay. And how long is it from nose to floor?
85 inches we've got.
Okay.
Yeah, and here's the tread and rise.
So for the total length of the rail, we will use 85 plus 13 inches.
Right, yeah.
And is the left configuration, and the power, is it on the top or on the bottom?
It's going to be at the top. When we're on site, we can talk a little bit about different ways that we can hook up the electrical. But it's going to be at the top.
Okay, sure. So should we start the cut now?
Might as well.
Okay.
Let's get at it. So we need, what's 87 to 13, right? So 50 inches.
50.
Yeah. So this is the one you want to watch him cutting.
So Derek, which side are you installing this on, this cable?
The configuration is because it's on left side.
Okay,
So the charging strip is facing the wall. It's also on left side.
okay,
Yeah. So normally we will run this charge strip once because the plastic sometimes it will stuck in the middle if we don't strip out some of the extra plastic on the side. The factory made of this charging strip is already bent, and we know the power is coming from the top. So this one I will leave it from the top.
okay.
So I will start to put this one in.
So what are you doing here? This is the stanchion, the standard one.
Stanchion, the standard one.
Okay,
When I put it on a rail, I won't tighten it too much because when we go to the site, this one we need a flexibility to change the angle according to the stair.
okay,
Okay, and that is the part for the stanchion. Just like that.
okay.
And this one will be sitting on to the top, and we have 4 screws. Tighten up the stanchion onto this zero intrusion unit, and then it will get rid of the stair steps, and the top part it won't be stick it out and interfere with any objects.
Okay.
So
Now we finish the prep work in the factory, and we are ready to pack it up and load it into the van and install it tomorrow. Every time when we go to do the installation, we will bring our spare kit and also the manual together.
Okay.
So sometimes when we need extra parts,